Hi, good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm good.
So can you please tell me about your last job?
Okay, my last job, I work as a nurse nanny there to an infant. She's 6 weeks old when I came there, and I left when she's 6 months old. So I focus on the baby, like changing diaper, feeding, bathing, playing with the baby, and going out to the mall like that. And then when she's sleeping, I do some household chores as well, but most of the time, because we also have a maid in the house during the time, so if ever the baby is sleeping, I just help the maid to iron some clothes like that, or do the laundry. So that's the main job.
Okay, so how long you worked there?
Since February 9, I have a 3 days trial, but they didn't let me go. That is after the trial. They After the 3 days trial, I started the work already, and then until June.
June
Yes,
this year.
until June. Yeah, this year.
Okay. And
Like
yeah, what is the main reason you decided not to continue to
yeah.
work with them?
The main reason is that we have this misunderstanding with my employer because I have this. I tried this business. This is a real business here in Dubai, and unfortunately, my mistake is that I did not ask for the employer's permission. And when they found out about this, of course they get angry. And then when I'm trying to explain myself, they don't give me the chance to explain. The day after that, they canceled my visa. So right now, I'm looking for a job that or a family that could I will gain the trust again.
Mm, okay, so basically it's only about that real business of yours
Yes.
that you did not inform them about it.
Yes. I hope
Uh,
so. Yeah.
Okay, so since you're looking for a new job, because of that
Mm-hmm.
reason, they suddenly just canceled your visa.
Mm-mm.
How much would be the minimum salary you will ask this time? From what range?
I would rather, my prefer is 2-5 actually.
Okay, and what do you like to do most in the house? Cleaning, cooking, or babysitting?
I much rather the babysit. Yes, that is more enjoyable.
All right,
Yeah.
and
But if needed, I have to. If some of the housemaid need my help, I of course I will do the house.
okay, but what can you cook? Like on your own, what can you cook?
I can cook some of Filipino dishes. Very simple Filipino dishes like adobo or sinigang or nilaga. Just that one or fried and anything fried. I'm not good in cooking per se, but I can follow instruction recipes like that. And I like to bake.
Wow. Okay,
Yeah.
love to bake. And just a little bit of knowledge about cleaning. What
Yes.
particular chemicals or products do you use to clean a toilet?
In the toilet. When I was before my previous employer, I do some of it also. I use Dettol and Jif cream for the you will also you have the instruction from the chemical, the disinfectants like that.
Okay. And in babysitting, how do you try to get the baby to finish eating his or her food?
Okay. The baby should to finish his food. I actually telling the baby to the importance of the food. Let's say, for example, for the fruits, this is good for you. This is to help you be stronger, like that. You have to convince the child that this is for his benefit, his or her benefit, so that he can finish the food.
Okay. And what is your hobby?
Right now, I do actually. Why I'm asking about the off is that I'm into church right now. I like singing and dancing there as part of the worship in a Christian community, and I love to read also books.
Okay, good. And how long do you want to work here in UAE?
Well, a couple of years maybe, 2, 3, 4. We don't know yet, but maybe maximum of 4 to 5 years
Four to
more.
five. Okay, and why do you think you will be a good helper to your new employer?
Well, I do my job well. I finish the work, and if ever I'm open to criticism. If ever I'm not good if ever I'm not good in this aspect, I'm open to to comments and suggestions, and I will try my best to improve myself.
Okay, well, I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.